Introducing the 2026 Volkswagen Tayron R Line 75 2.0 TDI 7-seater DSG in stunning white. With only 6,000 km, this SUV is packed with features for your driving pleasure. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone to wireless charging, this vehicle has it all. Safety features like anti-collision system and lane departure warning ensure you're always protected on the road. With a chrome package and roof rails adding to its sleek exterior, this Volkswagen is as stylish as it is safe. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out. Call us today or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information on this incredible vehicle.